Hi, this is a video showing how to replace your old design blue rear-facing lock-offs with the new design. Things that you'll need for this are a set of needle nose pliers, a screwdriver, we have a Phillips here, it does come in handy, and possibly a hammer to use for the installation of the new lock-offs. Okay. First off, you need to remove your existing old lock-offs. I'm going to start on the right-hand side of the seat here. We find that with the forward lock-off, the best way to do it is to insert your screwdriver into the little opening underneath the post here. Apply some light upward pressure, and the lock-off comes back off. For the rear portion, this is where you'll need your needle nose pliers. Grip low on the lock-off itself and twist to remove. Okay, I'm going to do the other side here as well. So for the forward lock-off, insert your screwdriver, twist and pop it out. And for the back, there we are. Now, the new lock-offs come with a rubber pad used as part of their part of the action. So what you need to do, there's an adhesive back here. Just going to need to peel that off. And the pad itself sits in the lock-off channel. The feature that you need to use to line up is this ridge feature in the seat. So you simply place the top of the pad there, make sure it's lined up, press it down, and you're done. Next up, the lock-offs themselves are two pieces. There's the articulating piece here that goes at the rear and the fixed piece that goes at the front. The easiest way to do this, take your articulating piece, make sure that the feature here is facing upwards, place it over the rear post, press down to snap it in. For the forward piece, again, you want to make sure the fastening feature is facing upwards. Place it over the forward post and pop it in place. Now, all you need to do to close that lock off is engage this over center mechanism. It pops into place and your new lock offs are in.